Hello, and welcome to Sandeep Tech Feed. In this video, we have compared Tata Neu with Amazon app. We noticed a few points where these apps are slightly different. Along with comparison, we have shared a short demo for each of the points of both these apps, so a lot to know and lot to discuss. Watch the video till the end. And please like and share this video and kindly subscribe so that we can present more such videos before you. Before starting to compare, we came across a very interesting feature on Amazon that is not present in Tata Neu app. We have considered this feature on the Amazon app outside the comparison points as it's not a deal breaker according to us but certainly an intuitive feature. The Tata Neu offers a clear search option at the top where you can type the product name to search. It doesn't offer a scan search. It offers a manual search now. Amazon comes with scanning features along with the regular search option through which you can scan a product and get related results on the app. This feature is also used to scan barcodes. With regards to entertainment services, the Tata Neu app helps to recharge your Tata Play DTH connection, upgrade your current box or purchase a new connection. Tata Neu doesn't offer online streaming services as yet. On the contrary, Amazon offers you Amazon Prime Video services. Through a nominal subscription you can watch world-class movies and web series and listen to music in any language on the Prime Video app. Also, you can watch short local films, web series, etc. for free through Amazon's Mini TV. With regards to travel booking, Tata Neu offers flight booking services through Air Asia. However, there is no option to book a train or bus. On the contrary, Amazon offers flight booking through Make My Trip, train booking through IRCTC and bus booking through Redbus. You can expect discounts and offers on both these apps. With regards to food ordering, Tata Neu allows you to order food and drinks for lunch or dinner or for a party through Tata's range of hotels and restaurants like Taj, Starbucks, Vivanta, etc. On the contrary, Amazon doesn't own restaurants or hotels. Amazon food ordering service is not available as of now. You can order fruits, vegetables, and food items from the groceries section only. Next, with regards to hotel booking, Tata Neu allows you to book hotels for your trips and stays with Tata's range of exotic hotels, resorts, etc. On the contrary, Amazon again is not owning any hotel or resort. Neither does it offers any hotel booking service through any third party. Next, with regards to the user interface, the Tata Neu Home section is short and crisp. All the categories are nicely placed in the Home section. In the Product section, there is a quick access that appears on the right side of the top menu. You can access all the services from quick access. But we felt that the black theme is not very soothing to the eyes. Also, the app seems to load a little while moving from one page to other at times. On the contrary, Amazon app's UI is certainly cleaner and leaner. The menus are well structured. We were amazed to find how beautifully Amazon has included such a huge range of features and services in the most simplistic way. The white-based theme is pleasing to the eyes, and also the app loads super fast. There is an option at the bottom of the app besides the cart option with 3 lines. Clicking there you will get the summarized version of the app with all services. Coming to offers and benefits, Tata Neu offers New Pass and New Coins along with plenty of deals, offers, super savers, etc. With New Pass, you get at least 5% new coins. There is no minimum spend required to earn these coins. And one Tata Neu coin is 1 Indian rupee. This is one way to keep the users hooked with Tata Neu. On the contrary, Amazon doesn't offer any passes or coins. But like Tata Neu, it offers plenty of deals, rewards, coupons, and cashback against its services and products. Finally, Tata Neu is the latest offering from Tata Digital and is launched as a super app. It includes all Tata's businesses to offer customers seamless services under one umbrella. Amazon is an online platform selling products of different brands including its own and also offers streaming and cloud computing services. But it is not a super app as most of its online business is done via third parties. But performance-wise it seemed a little better. Tata Neu is a work in progress and offers a lot more promise in days to come as a super app.